Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. A few minutes ago, my phone pinged, and so I picked it up to see what had come in. And there was a short and sweet message from one of my oldest friends, Andrew. And it basically read, "Hey, I'm meeting Nick tonight, if you're up for it." Nick, by the way, is an old friend of both of ours, a mutual friend who we used to work with together at the University of Westminster many moons ago. If you tell someone your plans, like "I'm meeting Nick tonight, we're going swimming later," and then you add "if you're up for it," "are you up for it," or just "you up for it," you're basically saying what you're doing and inviting the other person to join you. So, "I'm meeting Nick tonight, if you're up for it," basically means, would you like to come with me when I go to meet Nick tonight? So I responded by just saying, "Yeah, sure, count me in, what time and where." In the same way, on a Friday after work, you might go into your office or your staff room and you might ask, "Hey, is anyone up for a quick drink round the corner?" You can also use it in negative ways. So you might come home after a long day's work and your housemate or your partner might be all excited saying, "Hey, let's go out clubbing tonight." And you might rub your tired eyes and say, "Listen, after the week I've had, after such a long week at work, I'm really not up for going out clubbing." And you can also use "be up for doing something" to volunteer. So maybe there's a general feeling that no one wants to organise something like a meeting. And you might kind of put yourself forward by saying, "Hey, listen, I'd be up for organising the meeting if no one else wants to. I don't want to step on anyone else's toes, but I'd be up for it if you need someone to do it." If you've enjoyed this video, click the like button. It helps more people find what we're doing here. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use "up for" doing something.